What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and you know I love checking out all the latest tech on this channel, and if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button followed by the notification bell so you don't miss my videos guys. This is the JBL Flip 5 we're going to be looking at. I'm going to do an unboxing for it and do a quick sound test for you guys. I have not charged the battery once yet and I've been using it for about a week now. Let's get down and unbox this thing. Let's go. Very nice packaging as JBL usually does. $119. I got this on sale. Buying a couple different items at Verizon. And I just thought it would be cool to have a waterproof speaker to take by the pool. And it says dare to listen. Okay, waterproof. This thing is Bluetooth, 12 hours. And party boost. It looks like you can wirelessly connect more than one speaker. And on the back here, I do not have any really information. All right, sayonara to the box, guys. Sorry. Let's hope I don't have to return it. How about that? Okay. Packaging is a little strange there. We've got a styrofoam box, very nice. And we've got a little booklet there. This is some of the nicest styrofoam I've ever seen in my life. I don't know if this is reusable. Wow, I like this. This is very nice packaging. And you can see this is like a turquoise color. But as you can see, it's got USB-C.
It's Superman blue.
Superman blue, they say. They do give you a charging cable, which is awesome. And we've got JBL by Harman, quick start guide. What's in the box? Pairing Bluetooth, we all know that. Party boost, JBL Connect. Charging is USB-C, waterproof, 30 minutes, 1 meter. Okay, so you can get this thing a little bit wet. I wouldn't get it too wet. Okay, the cable that they give is pretty generic, except for the fact that it has some red on the inside of the USB. Nice touch JBL, I like that. And we've got the JBL insignia right there. That's a positive that this bad boy uses USB-C. And you can feel the tips of the speakers right there. Hopefully that won't do damage. And you've got a little shoestring that you can carry this around with. Connections, a Bluetooth, and we're going to scan. Let's see what we got here. We've got the JBL Flip right here. So yep, we are going to click that, pair it, pair. Okay, we are paired. Okay, so the volume is working. Okay, it's also on the phone. So that's cool. The play button is working. Alright. As you can see, that is about 3/4 the way up, and it is super loud. Okay guys, very loud. You're getting bass because of these two woofers right here, and there is a way for the pressure to leave, so if you do put it like this, these little notches will allow there to not be too much pressure to pop the speakers. So that's pretty awesome guys. This thing is even louder than I expected, and the build quality is pretty good. You do have a play button, a volume up button, volume down, and I think this is to connect another speaker for stereo. For a little portable speaker, this thing is loud. It's very loud. Definitely one of the best portable speakers that I've heard, and for 80 bucks if you get it on sale, it's definitely a steal. We took a look at the JBL Flip 5, and I've got to say this is an amazing product guys. I've always loved JBL, but it's got USB-C, it's water resistant, it's dust proof, so you can take this thing to the beach with you and rinse it off after if you want. I don't ever really feel that safe getting my devices soaking wet, but I'm using this right next to my shower. I have not charged the battery once yet, and I've been using it for about a week now, and I've got to say it completely replaced my Bose Soundtouch 10. I never reviewed those, but I have tons of issues with the Wi-Fi disconnecting, so pretty much every time I want to use them I have to go through the setup process again, and they've always done that.
that. I don't know what's going on with Bose, but they have some serious issues with their software and hardware working together. I spent a lot of money on those speakers, and I use them maybe once every 6 months, if that. My soundbar in my room, that's a different case. I use that every night. That's the Soundtouch 300. So I pretty much replaced using the Bose speaker with the JBL Flip 5, and I'm using it in the shower when I want to listen to a podcast or music. If I use the other speaker, it would almost be too loud, and I still couldn't make out words with the Bose speaker. With this one, I put it on the rack right next to my shower, and I'm able to make out voice, I'm able to hear music. It's really a lot more pleasing of an experience than having a speaker more far away, and I don't have to worry about getting it wet. And I've got to say, the sound quality is insane, guys. This thing is so loud. It's really insane how this little speaker can be so loud. I can only put it about a third up in the shower, and it's way loud. It's definitely loud enough. It's got some nice bass, and I really think the thing sounds great. So you guys heard this thing. What do you guys think? Is this a product that you're thinking about purchasing? And if so, guys, I got links down below. Definitely use those if you're gonna shop. It greatly helps the channel out. My name's Greg. I do tech videos in 4K weekly, and I also make crazy cat videos and stuff on Instagram, and you can follow me at PizzlesTechTime all across the board, guys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.